Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Invest Fair 2019 Commodity TV here for you in Stuttgart. And with me here is now John Jeffrey, the CEO of Saturn Oil and Gas. Welcome, John.
Thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, great to have you here from Canada directly to Stuttgart.
Absolutely.
You are an oil producer out of Saskatchewan. What I don't understand is, because I know your company, I'm a shareholder of your company, by the way, a long-term shareholder, and what I don't understand is your stock price came off the last, whatever, like 8 or 10 trading days, and is anything wrong with the company, or because you guys make money?
Absolutely. You know, there's nothing inside that we know about. We are seeing a bunch of selling pressure. Oil prices up 50% from its lows in December. Our operations have never gone better. Our wells are coming in cheaper. They're producing more. We absolutely have no idea what could possibly be causing this, but it'd be a great buying opportunity for anyone watching right now.
Absolutely, that's just what I wanted to say. It looks really like a great buying opportunity, but we are known that we are not speculating and not giving like that advice. But anyhow, I think it's so cheap to have that. But maybe you can elaborate a little bit. We have spoken the last time in January. So what happened since January, since we spoke? I think you drilled some more new producing wells, right?
Absolutely.
And I don't know, you were to acquire some land, if I'm correct, if I remember that correct. Maybe you can elaborate a little bit on that.
Sure, absolutely. So in the last first quarter of this year, we drilled 9 wells. They're all in under budget, which is really exciting for us. They're actually producing more than we had hoped.
That's always good.
We've acquired another 13 sections of land.
Wow.
Our exit rate for the first quarter is just about 1,400 to 1,500 barrels a day,
nice.
Which is really good, a lot higher than we expected,
Super.
but our wells have actually come on a lot stronger than we thought. So actually we're very thrilled with that, and they're coming on under budget. So everything from our point of view is
Super.
exactly where we want it to be.
And as I think the Brent price is shortly to the $70 now. Mm-hmm. So what amount of money you are making, meaning what is the margin normally for you guys? Not exactly, but around. What is the margin you make per barrel of oil?
Sure, so right now with WTI floating around $60, $62, our op costs, our all-in op costs with royalties, transportation, operating costs, somewhere around $15. So we're coming in right between $50 to $60, anywhere in there. Depends exactly where the spot price is and what the differential is.
That's Canadian now, right?
Canadian dollars, yeah.
So
actually it's a really good margin for us.
That's a super margin, I would call it. So you make like a revenue between $80,000 and $100,000 a day, right?
Top line revenue at this production level, yeah.
Wow, fantastic. Okay, then I even don't understand the stock price either.
Neither can I.
What's the game plan for 2019? What do you want to achieve? Can we say like the target is to go to 2,000 barrels a day?
Yeah, the exit rate for this year is 2,000 barrels a day. We have another 25 to 30 wells planned for the remainder of this year. We're still finalizing that capital program, but we've got the land and the drill targets now to go after.
Super.
So I think what we're going to see is we're in breakup now. So it's spring breakup, the roads are thawing. You can't get out there to do any drilling. So you'll see us again out there. Next program will start late June, as soon as the ice is out of the roads. And we'll start drilling again, and we'll just continue to do what we do best, is drilling boomer wells.
Super, great. Maybe an outlook for 2020. Do you want to be a producer, let's say, in several years, or let's say, but now 2,000 barrels, then you go maybe to 3,000, 5,000, 10,000? Is that something which is your philosophy of the business?
Yeah, one thing we're really trying to do is, we want to aggressively grow, but we want to do it in a controlled fashion where we can still keep our costs and our operating costs at a reasonable amount. So, our long-term projections, we're looking at exiting this year at 2,000, next year at 3,000, and seeing where it goes from there, and then hopefully just adding 1,000 barrels a day to that. That's a manageable number with the team we have, the land we have available. That's something we think we can do and manage by keeping our costs down.
And the margin stays that healthy?
Yeah, with TI prices where they're at today and Brent pricings where they're at, we can maintain that margin.
Wow, fantastic. Yeah, of course. Thought on stable prices at least, otherwise it's not working. That's right. No, that means on the other hand you have a super cost control. Yeah, you are always aware of it, and I saw it on your mobile phone that you guys can even track your wells from the mobile, right?
Yeah, while we're drilling them.
That's an amazing thing.
We put all the new technology we need, or is available to us. So our geologists, if they're in Calgary, if they're in Saskatoon, in their field, they have all the information. So one of the things that we try and do the very best at is drilling the best wells we can and extracting as much oil as we can out of that rock.
Super, perfect. Sounds like a great game plan. Thank you very much for the update. We see us soon, and I would say, produce, move it, do the business, show the results, and I think the share price will follow.
That's all we can do. Thank you, sir.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was John Jeffrey, the CEO of Saturn Oil and Gas. And you heard it, nothing is wrong with the company. Definitely not. The company is, on the one hand making revenues, on the other hand they are really making real profits, something different to most of the tech companies, by the way. And so I think they have a real business here. They are now at 1,500 barrels a day. They want to exit the year with 2,000. Target for next year is 3,000. I think a very healthy growth story, but making money, and that is key in the business. You have to make money with your business. Thanks for watching us. Check out the company. Bye bye from Stuttgart.